What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. Now, I was really surprised this thing got used last weekend, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used again this year. At some point, because you see how much respected this machine is exactly, which it's definitely how much respected this machine is exactly, because I do like this machine, because you see, I mean, it's definitely got used almost quite a bit since last weekend. I was used since Friday, and ever since this thing has been sitting since like 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days ago, you see, because you know how much respected this thing, which just definitely looks pretty nice by hand. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because you know I respected this thing, which just definitely looks pretty nice by hand. But it's definitely how much respected this machine has been used almost like a couple of times already, because you see how much respected this thing is, like, which it's definitely always like, when you push this button, right here, like, it doesn't matter which side it goes, it does lock it into place, you see. But you can see as you can see, she's a little dirtier, you know, since the fact that I expected this thing, like, it will be used at some point this year, again this year, because you know I expected this thing, I expected this machine, like, which is definitely looks pretty nice, in my opinion. But you know how much respected this machine's been used almost a couple of times already, which is definitely looks pretty nice, in my opinion. And even though this machine's been used almost quite a bit, because you can see how much respected this thing's, like, which it will be used again this weekend, this year again, so 2025 exactly, you can see, but you know I expected this thing's, like, which it's definitely how much of a spend this machine is like, which is definitely a little time putting, that's my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. But you know, I expect it to see, which is a very nice looking machine.